Today I'm making my favorite grandma's cookies. Let's make the dough. Ingredients: 200 grams of flour, 5 grams of baking powder, 1 egg, 80 grams of granulated sugar, 12 grams of vanilla sugar, 50 grams of cornflour, and 100 milliliters of sunflower oil. Sift 200 grams of flour. Add 5 grams of baking powder. In a separate bowl, mix together 1 egg, 80 grams of sugar, 12 grams of vanilla sugar, ,50 grams of corn flour, and 100 milliliters of sunflower oil. Then gradually add the sifted flour with baking powder. Mix all ingredients with a spatula. And knead until the ingredients are combined into a dough. Place the dough on the work surface and cut into 4 equal parts. Start to work with 1 piece of dough. Shape it into a cylinder about 1.5 centimeter in diameter. Cut the dough into 8 small pieces. Repeat the same process with the other parts of the dough. Take each piece of the dough and, using a fork, shape the ends to create a bow design. Place them onto a baking tray lined with baking paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. To decorate the biscuits, we will need 120 grams of dark chocolate, 80 grams of white chocolate, and 80 grams of shredded coconut. Melt the dark chocolate on low heat. And dip both ends of the cookie in the chocolate. Place all cookies on the baking paper. Melt 80 grams of white chocolate. Melt the white chocolate on low heat. Brush the center of the cookie with white chocolate and dip it in the shredded coconut. Let them dry. Enjoy!